Hi everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to teach you how to do this F2L case. So the flipped edge F2L case is a very common beginner case where you would mess it up normally. So when I first learned F2L, the way I did it was I would break up this pair, so take it out like that, and then I would move this to the back slot, and then it should be pretty self-explanatory what to do from here. You just do an L prime, U2, L, and then pair it up like that, and then finish the solve like that. But I found that to be very inefficient because you also, when you did that, you would have to do a regrip and a rotation. So I would have to do that, and then pair it up like that, and then finish the solve with one rotation and one regrip, which doesn't seem like a lot when you are slow. But when you get faster, that will take like a second or 2 seconds of your time. So how you do this is you hold the unsolved slot just in the bottom right like you normally would, and then you do R2 prime, U2 prime, F, and then you do R2, but then you do the F with your index finger instead of doing a thumb flick or a back thumb. You'll do it like this, and then you do U2 prime, R prime, U, R prime, which is really easy. So once again, the unsolved slot in the front, like R2 prime, U2 prime, F, R2, F prime, U2 prime, R prime, U, R prime. Something to keep in mind is you can hold the unsolved edge at the back if there is one. If you have 3 cross edges solved, you can hold that in the back and do the exact same algorithm, and it will also orient all the edges, and you'll have an easier OLL, which can also reduce your times. So that's it for this video. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, until next time.